Hey guys, I hope you had a great weekend. This week we are going to jump into analysis and really explore that topic deeply. For our discussion, you're going to have a chance to kind of apply what you're learning to a couple of scenarios and see what that looks like. And one of the interesting things is that people tend to come up with different ideas relative to the two scenarios, and that's perfectly acceptable. What you'll notice in the field of instructional design and in this course, there really aren't right and wrong answers. There might be a better way to do something, or something that's a little bit more efficient or effective, but there aren't right and wrong answers. And that is going to be true for your project. And one thing I also wanted to mention about the project is that I want you to remember that the idea is to be able to practice and demonstrate your learning relative to the course content. We allow you to choose your own project because it's a great way to practice doing something in your wheelhouse, so to speak, so you kind of know what's going on, and it makes it a little bit easier. Plus, it's useful, so hopefully you can use whatever it is that you're working on. Whether, I know Sean has something he likes to do in his outside of work life, and you're using that for your project, and Hannah's using something specific to her role, which is great. So either way, it just makes it a little bit easier to not have to try to figure that stuff out, and it's a little more comfortable and meaningful. But again, the idea is really just to show your skills relative to the process and the topics that we're covering. So don't let yourself get overwhelmed. If you're unsure, feeling overwhelmed, let me know. Let's talk about it. Have a great day, guys.